In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for planning. Whether you're organizing your personal life, managing a business project, or keeping track of schoolwork, Trello is a fantastic tool to help you stay on top of your tasks. With its intuitive design and powerful features, Trello makes it easy to create workflows, assign responsibilities, and visualize progress in a way that works for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up and use Trello to plan and manage your projects effectively. Let's get started. The first step is to sign up or log in to Trello. You can use your email or a preferred provider like Google to quickly create an account. If you already have an account, simply log in to access your Trello dashboard. Once you're in, the next thing you'll want to do is create a workspace. Think of a workspace as the central hub where you'll organize different areas of your life or business. For example, you might have a workspace for marketing, one for personal tasks, or even for school projects. This will help keep everything neatly organized and easy to find. Now that you have a workspace, it's time to create a new board. A board is where you'll plan individual projects or initiatives. Name your board something clear and specific, like spring marketing campaign or home renovation plan. Then customize it by selecting a background that helps it stand out. This can make it easier to recognize at a glance. Next, you'll want to create lists within your board. Lists are the building blocks of your workflow. For example, you might set up lists called backlog, in progress, review, and complete. These lists help you track the progress of your tasks from start to finish. After setting up your lists, start adding cards to represent individual tasks. Think of these as the to-dos or action items within your project. For instance, if you're planning a blog launch, your cards might include tasks like write blog post or design graphic. Once you've added your cards, open each one to add more details. You can include a description to explain the task, create a checklist to break it down into smaller steps, set due dates to keep everything on schedule, and even attach files like images or documents. To keep your team organized, you can assign members to specific cards. This makes it clear who is responsible for each task, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. As you and your team work on tasks, you can simply drag cards between lists to reflect their progress. For example, move a card from in progress to review when it's ready for feedback, and finally to complete when it's done. To help prioritize your tasks, use colored labels. These labels allow you to quickly identify high-priority items, categorize tasks, or flag specific types of work, like bugs or new features. If your board starts to fill up, you can use filters to narrow down what you're looking at. You can filter by assigned tasks, labels, or due dates to focus on exactly what matters most at the moment. Another great feature is the ability to switch views. Trello offers options like calendar, table, dashboard, and timeline views, so you can see your project from different perspectives depending on your needs. To enhance your board's functionality, consider adding power-ups. These are integrations like Google Drive, Slack, or Calendar that expand what Trello can do and help you connect it with the other tools you already use. For repetitive actions, you can use Butler automation. For instance, you can set it to automatically archive cards when they're moved to the done list, saving you time and effort. If you want to sync Trello with your schedule, open the Planner view and connect your Google Calendar. This allows for two-way syncing, so your Trello tasks and calendar stay updated seamlessly. You can even drag cards directly onto the calendar to schedule them. To improve collaboration, use the comments section on each card. You can tag teammates by mentioning them, ensuring they get notified and can respond directly within the card. Finally, make it a habit to review your board daily. Take a few minutes to adjust priorities, move cards, and make sure everything is staying on track. This simple routine will help you maintain momentum and keep your projects running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.